Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Dani. So today is a super exciting video. I am going to be unboxing the Detox Market Detox box. So I love these boxes. They are, if you're not familiar with the Detox box, it is a subscription box that you get from the Detox Market, which is a clean beauty store. If you are not familiar with this, each month you get one or more featured brands and you always get at least $90 worth of products. So I just want to tell you a little bit about kind of like the tiers as far as like subscribing. So you can get 1 month at a time. If you do it that way, it's $55 a month. Now kind of the more months that you get at a time, the cheaper it is. So if you get 3 months at a time, it's $44.95 a month. And then if you get 6 months at a time, it is $39.95 a month. And I actually have done Detox box unboxings on my YouTube channel before. I did it a while back and I absolutely love the Detox Market Detox boxes. They're such a great box so we can discover new clean beauty products at a really great price, just in a more affordable way. I do want to let you guys know I was very kindly gifted this box. I have subscribed to the Detox box in the past myself, but I'm super excited and really grateful that I was gifted this box because that means I get to share it with you guys. And when I am able to get things gifted to me, I am able to create more videos for you guys and hopefully they will help you. Anyway, let's just go ahead and get right into this. So the featured brand for this month, as you could probably tell from the thumbnail and just seeing the box, is RMS Beauty. So I'm actually really excited that this is, that makeup is featured in this box. I feel like a lot recently it's been like skincare, which is great. But I feel like skincare is very individual and because like I have acne prone skin, so I can't really use just any skincare on my face or on my skin. So I'm super excited that this month is makeup products. So let's just dive right into this. So first off, I should say you get this little pamphlet that tells you a little bit more about the maker of RMS Beauty or whichever brand that it's talking about. So this answers some questions. It has like a little Q&A thing here. It just lets you get to know a little bit more about the maker of the brand and also just about the brand in general. So I think that's cool that they include that, and then it also comes with the little card that tells you about each of the products that you get in the box. So first off, we get this little sample of the RMS Uncover Up. I really enjoy the RMS Uncover Up concealer. Such a nice concealer. It looks so skin-like and just it looks so nice. I've done reviews on this before on my channel. I've also done a review for their Uncover Up foundation. I do really like that foundation, but I did do a review video about that specifically for acne prone skin. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, I'll put a card up here so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But anyway, then they also have, so that was just kind of like a little addition to it, that little sample there. And they also have 2 makeup wipes. These are their Ultimate Makeup Remover Wipes. It says infused with certified organic coconut oil. These cleansing cloths sweep away makeup, soften skin, restore moisture, and leave you with a gorgeous glow. So I actually am going to test this out for you guys on camera because there is an eye product in here that I do want to, of course, demo for you guys. But I do have some eye makeup on right now, so I am going to try this out. I don't know if it just dried out, but this feels extremely dry. I don't know if it's a dud because, I mean, a lot's coming off, but it feels very dry, which is interesting. I was expecting something with a little more moisture for the makeup wipe, but we'll just test this out. It seemed to get that off nicely. I feel like I can feel the coconut oil on my eyelids. Like it feels very, it's very oily. Like, look, I don't know if you could see it on my finger. I'm like, it's very oily now. So it's moisturizing. Well, that's cool as long as you aren't sensitive to coconut oil. Next thing is their eye polish. This is in the shade Aura. So this is what it looks like. This retails for $28. The shade Aura is described as a gray muted amethyst with a metallic finish. So then to go along with the eye polish, you also get their eye polish brush. This retails for $22. It says make eyeshadow application easy with this vegan blending brush featuring a round elongated head. It effortlessly builds an even natural looking wash of color in seconds. See, nothing to it. This does look like a super pretty shade. This is like a kind of product where it's just like super quick application and just puts together a look really quickly and easily. I also think that I would enjoy like just using my fingers to apply this as well. I think that would work really nicely, but this brush is applying it really nicely as well. I don't feel like it's one that you would like have to have if you were like purchasing it separately. I don't think that you definitely don't have to get the brush to like for the eye polishes to work nicely, but the brush does apply it nicely. I'm also gonna take my finger and just add a little bit more. This makes me very curious to try more of their eye polishes. Another thing included in the box is their unpowder, so you get a little mini version of their unpowder. Now I have talked about this product on my channel as well. I actually do have the full size of this. So this is a really nice setting powder. So this little mini size retails for $4. It says set makeup, shrink the look of pores, smooth skin, absorb oil, worn with or without foundation. This invisible 2-ingredient powder leaves skin feeling balanced and velvety soft. So that's one thing that I really like about this is this only has 2 ingredients. So if you're looking for a translucent powder with very minimal ingredients, this is a really good option. And this is like the smoothest powder. Like it's so finely milled. If you just rub a little bit of the powder in between your fingers, it's so smooth. I do really enjoy this powder. It does have a lot of kick up. I don't know if you can see it. It's like actually like floating in the air a little bit, but this is a really nice powder. I do really like it. It is very smoothing. Just be aware it does have a lot of kick up, and you get that with a lot of loose powders, but I do think that this does it really nice at just setting the face, helping to absorb oil, and it does definitely have like a smoothing feeling to it. If you rub a little bit in between your fingers, like it is so smooth. So then the next product in here is their signature palette. The signature palette retails for $44. It says consider your routine streamlined, curated by Rosemarie herself. This iconic palette contains the best-selling shades you need to sculpt, illuminate, and enhance, all in the palm of your hand. In the signature palette, you get the Master Mixer, which is described as a light reflective rose gold pigment. You also get the Living Luminizer, which is described as a subtle golden richness. You get the Lip to Cheek in the shade Smile, which is described as a seductive coral pink with lush golden undertones. It's also described as a modern sheer coral / pink with a slight 50s feel. You also get the Lip to Cheek in the shade Spell, which is described as a modern nude dusty rose. And then you also get the Simply Cocoa Lip and Skin Balm, and the scent is described as a very light natural cocoa butter scent with certified organic cocoa. I'm gonna take the Magic Mixer. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this to the tops of the cheekbones. This gives a really pretty natural glow. I really like how natural RMS beauty products look. It gives such a pretty healthy glow to the skin. I am really looking forward to using this palette. I think that this is just a really nice like multi-use palette. If you really like a minimal makeup look, you want something that's going to look really natural, I think this is a really nice palette to check out, but I really like that it's included in this box. I'm also going to apply the Simply Cocoa Lip and Skin Balm. Feels really nice on the lips, super moisturizing. I am curious because this does have coconut oil in it. I wonder if it'll like make me break out around my lips. I do break out pretty easily. I have acne prone skin, so that's why I'm especially curious about that. And I know some people are sensitive to coconut oil, so that's just kind of something to be aware of with this product. Alright, so then the last product in this box is this lipstick. This is the Wild with Desire lipstick in Brain Teaser. This is a mini size. They say for attractive lips, speak words of kindness, sage advice to apply along with this hydrating antioxidant rich lipstick starring a medium pinky brown shade that never feathers or flakes. This shade is described as a medium pinky brown. This has like chunks of glitter in it. I hope you guys can kind of see that. Now I have actually done a lip swatch video for the RMS Beauty Wild with Desire lipsticks if you guys are interested in checking that out, but let's just go ahead and apply this. Once you apply it to your lips, you don't see those chunks of glitter. Alright, so that is everything in this month's detox box. I do think that this is a really nice way to try out RMS Beauty. If you have not tried out RMS Beauty, but you've been curious to try out some of their products, this is a great way to try it for a great price. The total value of this box is $105. If you guys have any questions about any of these products, definitely feel free to ask me in the comments. Also, I will have a link to the Detox Market subscription box if you guys are interested in checking it out. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you guys would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I also do have a detox box playlist if you're curious to see some of their past boxes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye guys.